Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Solution. This is episode 5 of our Excel Beginner to Advanced series. So far we have covered formulas, formatting and cell reference. Now it is time to learn one of the most practical and time saving features in Excel: sorting and filtering. And don't forget, the full playlist link for this series is in the descriptions and pinned comment. Make sure you watch every episode in order so you don't miss a thing. Part 1: Why sorting and filtering matter. Imagine you have a long sheet of sales data, hundreds of rows. How do you quickly find the top performer or only see sales from a particular region? That's where sorting and filtering come in. These tools help you organize and focus on the exact data you need. Part 2: Sorting data. Sorting means arranging your data in a particular order. Select your data, go to the Data tab, click on Sort A to Z means ascending order, or Z to A means descending order. You can sort number, text, or even dates. Example: sort employee names alphabetically, or sort sales from highest to lowest. Always make sure your entire table is selected before sorting. Otherwise, only one column will move and your data will get mixed up. Part 3: Custom sorting. Sorting isn't limited to just A to Z. Click on Sort in Data tab. You can add multiple levels. Example: first sort by region, then within each region, sort by sales, largest to smallest. This makes your reports much more structured and professional. Part 4: Filtering data. Now let's talk about filters. Select your table and click Filter from the Data tab. Little drop down arrows will appear on each column. From here, you can choose what to display and what to hide. Example: so only sales from a north region or only orders made in January. This doesn't delete your data, it just hides what you don't need at the moment. Part 5: Advanced filter tricks. You can filter by condition like greater than, less than, or even by color if you have highlighted cell. Combine filters to quickly find very specific information like sales greater than $500 from the south region. This is where Excel start to feel like a real database. So in this episode we learn how to sort and filter data in Excel, skills you will use almost every single day when working with spreadsheets. In episode 6, we will take it a step further and explore charts and data visualizations. Because sometimes numbers alone aren't enough. You need visuals to tell the story. Remember, this is part of Full Excel Beginner to Advanced series. The link to all episode is in the descriptions and pinned comment. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to Data Solution and ring the bell icon for the updates. See you in episode 6.